Hare Krishna. So we are discussing on the 12th verse of the 4th chapter of Gita. Krishna explains what kind of people are not able to understand me. Why is it that people are not able to understand me? He says in today's verse, Kangshantah karmanam siddhim yajanta iha devatah kshipram hi manushe loke siddhir bhavati karmaja. Men in this world desire success and fruitive activities, and therefore they worship the demigods. Quickly, of course, men get results from the fruitive work in this world. So we see karma means when I have a desire to get something out of my action. उसमें से मुझे क्या मिलेगा, ये कर्म की परिभाषा है. So naturally, when one does karma, one expects a result. So Kangshantah karmanam siddhim. Kangshan means to want, desire or longing. So when one wants something from the endeavors that one is doing, yajanta iha devata, then a person worships demigods. Yes. So in this world, we all require certain people or certain aspects of life to enjoy. अकेले कोई व्यक्ति आनंद नहीं ले सकता. आनंद के लिए दो चाहिए. अकेले रहने में कोई आनंद नहीं है. यस, हम देखेंगे जब भी हमको छुट्टी होती है, हम बाहर घूमने जाते हैं, हम किसी को तो साथ में लेके जाते हैं, और अल्टीमेटली हम एक दिन जिसको साथ में लेके जाते हैं, 4 दिन के बाद उसके साथ फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हैं, तो फिर अकेले हो जाते हैं. This is the way material world works. Yes, we are attached to somebody, and ultimately that attachment fails. Then we come to Krodha. Vita, Raga, Bhaya, Krodha. We had seen 2 shlokas back. So everywhere there is Raga, and when that Raga fails, there is Krodha. This is bodily consciousness. So someone who is on that bodily consciousness, he definitely wants some things in this life to make himself happy. And Krishna has no problem in supplying that thing. यजंत इह देवता. अगर आपको इस भौतिक जगत में सुखी होने के लिए कोई चीजें चाहिए, एजेंसी बनाई है मैंने. देयर आर डेमिगॉड्स. हम देखते हैं कि अगर किसी को सुंदर पत्नी चाहिए तो वो उमा की या पार्वती की उपासना करे. किसी को हैंडसम पति चाहिए तो शिव जी की उपासना करे. हमें विद्या चाहिए तो हम सरस्वती की उपासना करते हैं. धन चाहिए तो लक्ष्मी जी की उपासना करते हैं. अच्छा शरीर चाहिए, स्वास्थ्य चाहिए तो सूर्य की उपासना करते हैं. अच्छा मानसिक संतुलन चाहिए तो चंद्र की उपासना करते हैं. तो इन सभी देवताओं को प्रसन्न करने के लिए भी कुछ होम, हवन, यज्ञ, व्रत, तप, उपासना ये सब हैं. लेकिन इन सभी उपासनाओं के पीछे एक भौतिक इच्छा है. सो कांक्षन्तम कर्मणाम सिद्धिम यजंत इह देवता. और वो देवतागण क्या करते हैं? क्षिप्रम ही मानुष्य लोके सिद्धिम भवति कर्मजाम. They very easily provide for results. Yes. So in one way, when a person's result is easily achieved, what happens? जो भी उसे चाहिए वो जिंदगी में जल्दी मिल जाता है, तो वो भगवान को भूल जाता है कि नहीं? It is very natural. हम 12वीं में, 10वीं में, हम जहाँ पर भी सीखे, कॉलेज गए, स्कूल गए, उन टीचर्स को, उन हेडमास्टर, हेडमिस्ट्रेस को अभी क्या हम याद करते हैं? हार्डली. Did we ever bother to go and wish them a thank you? Somebody who has been really nicely teaching us? Hardly. So बीत गई बात गई. ये भौतिक जगत ऐसे ही चलता है. So when our desires from people are satisfied, then we tend to forget. Yes. So किसी हल्की इच्छा वाला व्यक्ति मेरे पास आना ही नहीं चाहिए. इसीलिए भगवान ने ये एजेंसी बनाई है. यस, कांक्षन्तम कर्मणाम सिद्धिम यजंत इह देवता क्षिप्रम ही मानुषे लोके. वेरी इजीली, वेरी क्विकली those desires will get fulfilled. Yes, and a person feels happy, he feels satisfied. जीवन बन गया, अच्छे से तो चल रहा है सब. So in one sense he tends to forget the influence or the need of having Krishna in his life. But then the fault lies not with Krishna, it is ये यथा माम प्रपद्यन्ते. अगर आपको जो कुछ भी मुझसे चाहिए मैंने उसके लिए एजेंसीज लगा के रखी हैं. Yes. So in this way, when one is sufficiently purified after getting a lot of results from a lot of demigods, when one is sufficiently purified after many births, then he relinquishes karma and slowly comes to jnana. And even after relinquishing jnana, he comes to the platform of bhakti. Bahunam janmanam ante jnanavan mam prapadyate vasudevah sarvamiti sa mahatma sudurlabhah. Yes, this is the perfection of jnana. But this entire journey will start from Kangshantam Karmanam Siddhim. Kangshantam Karmanam Siddhim is the UKG of spiritual development. But ultimately he is on the path of purification because these demigods are being provided by Krishna, and in wanting to worship them also he is in a very subtle way following a trajectory which is set up by Krishna. But it will take time. So the fastest way is simple spiritual advancement through Bhakti Yoga. What happens when one is actually purified? We see Srimad Bhagavatam very beautifully describes the story of Dhruva Maharaj. Yes, Dhruva Maharaj, when he went to the forest, he did not want to please Vishnu just to satisfy Vishnu. No. He wanted a pad which is even greater than his great-grandfather Brahma. A very material desire. Yes. But then, with due purification, when he saw Krishna with his intense austerities, and ultimately Krishna came, Lord Vishnu came and asked Dhruva, what do you want? What is Dhruva Maharaj's reply? Oh my dear Lord, yes, Swamin Kritarthosmi Varam na yache. I am very happy and satisfied just to have your darshan. I don't want any benediction. So somebody whose Kangshantam Karmanam Siddhim comes to the level of Swamin Kritarthosmi Varam na yache. This has happened by gradual purification and attainment of Krishna in one's life. So once one gets hooked to Krishna, Krishna never leaves him. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.